Hello, my name is Yvonne Salas with Etiqueta Excellence Manners. And today I want to give you some tips for table manners for kids. As parents, we're all very concerned about their behavior. And it's not very difficult to start teaching them the correct things to do if we take the time and if we teach them one thing at a time. So today we're going to discuss one thing, and that is the use of the napkin, which is so important. If we're teaching them to use cloth napkins, just remember that the idea is that they become so used to having one that the moment they reach the table, they place it on their lap. So start with that, with the napkin. The moment you get to the table, place it on your lap. Use it to clean your mouth in between drinks so that you don't get food residue on your glass or your cup. And then, when we are finished eating, that we're leaving the table, have them place it back on the table and not crumbled, which is a habit that many children nowadays have, but that we have them learn to have it in a soft fold and put it to the left of their plate. This is Yvonne Salas with Etiqueta Excellence, and have your children join us for one of our etiquette courses. You will be happy that you did.